So go ahead, identify your parts. So you're gonna have what looks like an L, it's pointed on one bottom. Find the one that kind of matches it. And what we're doing here is we're just making the foot stake. So there'll be a nice pass-through hole. We've got this metal clevis pin. We're just gonna pin that together. When you're doing this part, just remember this is a foot stake. You're gonna wanna stomp on this in the mud to get it in. So what we don't wanna do is put this nice little clip on the top. Go ahead and put that on the bottom. That way when you step on it with your foot, you're not stepping on that little pin. So then you'll grab the part that's labeled B here in the instructions. It's just a straight pipe. All you're gonna do is depress the push pin, push the pipe in place. It's gonna lock in place here on the foot step. And then the next part is find the one that looks like a cross. Same process. It's labeled B. Push that push pin in, and there you go. You've got the stake. Once you get that part, you're gonna find the battery holder. It's very simple, just come over the top. There's no wrong way to do this. You can go on the front, you can go on the back. I like running on the front, that way when the decoy's on top of this steel, it's hiding the battery. Then you're gonna find this nice little S round rod that's bent. It's keyed, so you notice there's a little key on it. Just put it in place, and it goes in there. It's keyed so it doesn't come out. And then all you have to do is take your clone, any species of clone will work, and then you'll notice that it receives this little 1/4" dowel perfectly. You'll put your decoy on it. It'll move around a good bit. You've got a nice place for your battery. It's got these nice Velcro straps in here, so all you have to do is put your 12-volt battery in here, cinch it down, get it tight, put your clone on, go to the field, and you're ready to go. Step it in the mud, grab your clone remote, push go, shoot ducks. Check it out, it's the Clone Water Stand.